Residential electric customers who install solar panels often have questions concerning their Alliant Energy electric bill. It's true, solar can reduce or eliminate electricity costs, but you still have an electric bill. Your bill is likely to have an energy consumption charge some months and a generation credit other months. Let's review what determines your electric bill and how we factor in the energy your residential solar panels produce. In this video, we'll examine a bill for a Wisconsin customer who installed a residential solar system. In this example, the customer's system produced more electricity than their home consumed. The customer has an excess generation credit on their bill statement. Let's take a closer look at what you would see if this were your bill. At the top right is your account number, the date your bill is due, and the amount due. There's also your previous balance, the amount due on last month's bill, payment received, which was the last payment made, the balance forward that includes your previous balance minus any payment received, and current charges you accumulated this month. Next, we'll explain your energy charges and calculations. On this page, you have your rate schedule and the number of days in the bill period. Below that is meter information regarding your net energy usage, the net difference between energy generated and consumed. You'll see your meter number, the beginning reading, the end reading, and the total number of kilowatt hours your solar system generated beyond what your home consumed during that period. We know this system generated more energy than the home consumed because the number from the first reading, 5,658, decreased by 117 to 5,541 kilowatt hours. Please remember that Alliant Energy's net meter doesn't interact with the solar panel meter your installer provided. We don't know how much total electricity your system generated and can't measure the total amount of electricity you used. To understand your bill charges, look at the section below. It consists of the fuel adjustment charge that may be required to accommodate for changes in fuel prices. To calculate this, we take the usage and multiply it by the applicable tariff. In this case, the fuel adjustment did not apply, hence the zero. The second line is the customer charge that covers the cost of service, meter, and maintenance of utility equipment. To calculate this, we take the number of days in the billing month, 30, and multiply it by the tariff. That equals $14.80. The third line is your parallel generation, the net difference between energy generated and consumed. This becomes your credit. To calculate it, we take the excess generation, 117 kilowatt hours, and multiply it by the applicable tariff. The amount equals $3.29. The fourth line is the statewide low-income assistance fee required by Wisconsin law that helps fund low-income energy assistance programs. As the Department of Administration determined, residential electric customers pay either an amount equal to 3% of their total pre-tax bill charges or $3.15, whichever is lower. In this example, 3% of total pre-tax bill charges is lower. The last two lines are state taxes. To calculate these, we take the sum of the bill charges, $11.51, and multiply it by the state tax percentage. The county tax comes to 6 cents, the sales tax, 58 cents. The final step is to add those totals. We get $12.50. This is the amount due on our sample customer's bill that they must pay to avoid late fees or disconnection. For additional resources and information about Alliant Energy's customer-owned generation services and processes, visit alliantenergy.com/sellmypower.